The question goes as is, are the Kardashian-Jenner women just savvy pop culture icons? Or are they secretly a modern-day coven of witches casting spells on their lovers and their fans?
When you build a billion-dollar empire on reality television, cosmetics, and non-stop publicity, the courtroom becomes more than a place of judgment, it becomes a stage. For over a decade, the Kardashian-Jenner clan has faced a parade of lawsuits, defamation claims, business disputes, copyright fights, and allegations of broken contracts. Each case reveals how the family protects its brand, and how powerful that brand has become. Let's begin in 2011, when Kim Kardashian faced a $5 million lawsuit from Old Navy over a lookalike ad campaign. The retailer hired model Melissa Molinaro, whose resemblance to Kim was uncanny. Kim argued the ad deliberately implied her endorsement, violating her publicity rights. The case settled privately, but it signaled early on that the Kardashians would not tolerate anyone profiting from their likeness. In 2013, Kris Jenner confronted a more personal battle. Her ex-stylist claimed wrongful termination and harassment. The allegations threatened to pierce the carefully curated image of Kris as the ultimate momager. Court records show the case quietly ended in arbitration, but insiders say it underscored Kris's ironclad confidentiality agreements and aggressive legal strategy, tools she continues to use to shield family secrets. The family's defamation wars have been equally high stakes. The most notorious? The long-running feud with Blac Chyna. After her reality show spin-off with Rob Kardashian collapsed, Chyna sued the Kardashians in 2017, claiming they conspired with network executives to cancel Rob and Chyna and tank her career. Chyna sought more than $100 million in damages. The trial in 2022 became a media circus. Chyna testified about lost opportunities, while the Kardashians argued the relationship with Rob had turned volatile and unsafe for production. After a 2-week spectacle, a Los Angeles jury sided entirely with the Kardashians. The verdict wasn't just a legal win, it reinforced the family's ability to protect their narrative when their personal lives become litigation fodder. Meanwhile, the younger sisters faced their own disputes. In 2017, Kendall and Kylie Jenner were sued over their infamous vintage tee line, shirts plastered with their faces over classic album art without permission. The estates of Tupac Shakur and Notorious B.I.G. issued cease and desist letters within hours. Though the sisters quickly pulled the products and settled, it highlighted a recurring pattern: rapid-fire launches followed by equally rapid legal cleanup. The empire's beauty ventures have sparked trademark battles too. Kylie Jenner locked horns with pop star Kylie Minogue in 2016 over the trademark for the name Kylie. Minogue argued that granting Jenner the mark would confuse consumers and damage her own brand. After months of filings, the parties quietly reached a settlement, allowing Kylie Cosmetics to flourish, but not without reminding the world that even a first name can ignite a global legal fight. Then came the lawsuits surrounding Kim Kardashian's shapewear brand schemes. Smaller designers alleged that certain schemes' pieces infringed on their patented designs. While most of these disputes were settled confidentially, court documents show Kim's legal team vigorously contested each claim, underscoring how high the stakes are when a single product line can generate hundreds of millions of dollars. Even their reality empire, Keeping Up with the Kardashians, has faced behind-the-scenes contract disputes. Former production staff and partners have occasionally alleged unpaid royalties or profit-sharing disagreements. Kris Jenner's approach? Swift arbitration, airtight NDAs, and settlements that keep details sealed. Proof that the family treats litigation as just another cost of doing business. Legal experts often note that the Kardashians rarely let a case reach a decisive public verdict. Instead, they leverage their vast resources to negotiate settlements, file counterclaims, and maintain control of the narrative. To critics, this is evidence of privilege and power. To supporters, it's savvy business strategy. The public sees only flashes, paparazzi shots outside courthouses, cryptic Instagram posts, a lawyer's sharp statement to TMZ. Behind the scenes, the family employs a small army of attorneys who function almost like brand managers, ensuring that every lawsuit becomes either a victory or, at worst, a footnote. But these battles have another effect: they feed the Kardashian mythology. Each headline, Kim sued, Kylie settles, China versus the Kardashians, keeps them at the center of the cultural conversation. Even when they're defendants, they dominate the spotlight, turning legal risk into sustained relevance. For a family that thrives on attention, the courtroom is not just a battleground, it's a marketing channel. Every subpoena, every deposition, every judgment becomes part of the sprawling narrative that keeps the Kardashian-Jenner empire in the news cycle. As one entertainment lawyer told Vanity Fair, "They don't fear lawsuits. They plan for them. Litigation is simply another department in the Kardashian business model, and that may be the most telling revelation of all. For the Kardashians, law isn't a threat to their empire, it's a tool to protect and even expand it." In our next episode of Under the Gloss, we'll leave the court docket behind and dig into how the family built a billion-dollar social media machine, turning Instagram and TikTok into the most powerful marketing platforms the fashion and beauty industries have ever seen. Loving the story so far? Go ahead and subscribe, it's free, and it means you'll never miss the next update.